Hi, my name is Rebecca Carleen, and I am an instructor at the college level here at Fort Hays State University. I did notice on the KISA website that these resources really were for K through 12 grades, but since assessment is such a big part, I guess, in our area, I felt like these correlated really well with us at the college level too. So when my chair and I sat down to discuss these areas, we found that we're in the modeling stage for most of them. So relationship is very important with our colleagues, our students, and our families. As our chair really encouraged professional development for her staff to grow personally and professionally. It's expected that our students stay involved with our program and other student organizations to stay connected within our community. We also stimulate parents' engagement with our recruitment activities, such as our student recognition programs we do every spring, as well as our Tiger Days that parents are welcome to join and learn more about our programs in our colleges. Relevance is shown through our program assessment data as we strive to meet our benchmarks. We're able to engage the vision and success to different families and prospective students. We also are required to evaluate and be evaluated by outside instructors to accept constructive criticism, but then warrant high-level student learning. On the responsive culture, we're shown in the modeling area in many ways. We promote a learning community for our students to encourage a supportive student and college culture. We have monthly department meetings on a regular basis to provide and share new information, providing a positive office atmosphere. Our chair also promotes nutrition and wellness as we actively participate as an office in many activities through our Health Quest, which is what our insurance provides. And then rigor is demonstrated in our data and assessment tools as we continue to surpass the benchmarks. Our program is accredited on the national level, and so we have documents that show continued compliance of the national policies and procedures. I think my chair's leadership style is charismatic. She inspires her team to participate or care as she does through her actions. A charismatic leader tends to influence their team by showing true passion for their vision or their goal. It also is a theory that doesn't follow one path, but is dependent on the leader's characteristics. So her ability to be empathetic to her team while moving forward to the greater good. My chair and I found that within the rigor rubric, we could be improving our marketing tools to recruit better for our programs. We've been doing the same type of recruitment, which has worked for many years, but I believe can be improved. So I'd like to come up with a plan that ensures that all surrounding schools and students have easily accessible information regarding our career field, which matches the Professional Standard for Educational Leaders 3C. There are many ways we could go about this, but incorporating a digital tool to do so, I feel would be efficient and beneficial for everyone's time and money. A video furnishing information and highlights of our career and our academic programs that can be watched at the comfort of their own home can be very powerful. This allows more than those who can make the trip to campus for a visit to feel welcome and engaged with this process, meeting the Professional Standard Educational Leadership 9F. After a video has been sent, a follow-up conference call would be a great option as well, as we strive to engage a two-way communication to eliminate any problem of being geographically challenged, as we're located in the middle of nowhere, right in the center of Kansas. And I feel like that meets the Professional Standard Educational Leadership 8A.